Assalamualaikum to teachers and my friends. My name is Safiyya from 5 Dinamik. I want to present about applications of Archimedes principle in daily life, which is on hot air balloon. Let's start. First, let me tell you how does a hot air balloon work in theory. Do you ever wonder why the hot air balloon is open at the bottom? It is to let air to get in and out of the balloon. From that, the density of the air inside the balloon can change, while the pressure inside and outside of the balloon is essentially the same. Hot air balloons float because the air caught inside the balloons is heated up by a burner. As the burner heats the air, it expands since the air molecules in the hot air balloon spread out, and some of the air is escaped, which makes it less dense. Okay, now, do you ever think how does the hot air balloon rises, descends, or stay at steady height? I will answer all the questions now. First, let me explain about how the hot air balloon rises. Yes, the hot air balloon have a parachute valve. And do you want to know what is the function? I will tell you later. So, the parachute valve is closed and the burner is ignited to heat up the air inside the balloon. As you know, warm or less dense air is always rises up, and that's why we heat up the air. When the air inside the balloon becomes hotter, it will be less dense than the air outside the balloon. Thus, the buoyant force is greater than the weight force, so the hot air balloon rises. Okay, now I will explain how can the hot air balloon stay afloat at a steady height. It is because the buoyant force is equal to the weight force. Easy, right? The weight force also include the weight of the hot air inside the balloon, the weight of the airship fabric, the weight of gondola, and the weight of passengers. Now, the hot air balloon can rise up and remain stationary. Of course, it can descend too. Okay, like I told you before, that hot air balloon have a parachute valve, and it is to release the hot air inside the balloon to go out. This is how the hot air balloon descends. The parachute valve is open and the burner is turned off. As you know, we need the air inside the balloon that is cooler and denser to make it descend. When we did that, the balloon will fill with cooler and become denser. It caused the weight force to become greater than the lift force. And that's how the hot air balloon descends. I have explained how the hot air balloon rises, stationary, and descends based on Archimedes principle. That's all for now. Thank you.